everyone. The video did stop abruptly, but I believe I left off in showing you the power of the videos that you're going to make for your apps with Mobizen or any other screen recorder. Okay, but just look at this. These are our videos, and basically I'm just showing you how the app is being used. Okay, and so the power of video. Let's look at a few of these. 348 views, 23 views, 17 views. Those don't have that many. I didn't really optimize those. Okay, 266 views for Spider-Man wallpapers, 169 Aquaman, and so forth. But this is just the power of the video. So when people go to Google Play, or if they're just searching for wallpapers, that's what we go on. This is what they see. Okay, Bible tools, 290, 77. Okay, like I said, these weren't optimized that good, and that's when Google Play started tripping. I'll just say it like that. But if we go back to the old school ones, 8.7 views. That's the police scanner. 51K views. That's my breaking news. That's the one that made me the $14,000 in 1 month. Okay, 4.5 for Bible, 3.K for Angels wallpaper, and so on. Okay, so the power of the video. You got to make a video with your app. That is a must. Okay, so let's continue on. I was telling you about the description, methods. Okay, and basically you know how to get it. Just plug in your app name. Okay, and here, let's see. I think I got one where it's already plugged in. Maybe not. Okay, but basically that's it. And you also see I got disclaimers on here that you can use also. Okay, just fill in the blanks. Okay, and a few other things. Okay, that you can use. A few more Andromo features that I'll show you when this is real ninja. But I'll show you that a little later. So the next method, okay, write it yourself. Basically, you can look at your video, write the template yourself. Basically, it just goes as far as just saying, download my unicorn wallpapers, HD wallpapers, okay? Over 20 wallpapers or 50 wallpapers for you to enjoy, okay? Then you put your disclaimer, something like that. That's a nice short one, actually. But, write it yourself. You write your whole description. Use examples from others. Okay, let's go to Google Play real quick. Let's go to Google Play Store. And basically just, find out what others are using. Okay? And, write it, edit it, make it your own. Okay? Basically, that's what I do with my templates. And one thing about me, and I tell you this, I hate writing. But I know it's something I have to learn. In order for me to continue to increase and, do good in my business, I have to learn it. Okay? But until then, use others. Let's see. Unicorn wallpapers. Let's see what others are saying about that. Okay? But basically, just go on here, see what the top download one, the one in #1 position is saying. Okay? Cute wallpapers, amazing, kawaii background, cute unicorn wallpaper has lots of wonderful cute wallpapers. And see their keyword you can see is cute, okay? But like I said, use this as a template. Lots of cool unicorn ponies await you and so forth. So anyway, then they got more Galaxy, list some phones and so forth. So use what others are saying. And this is a really long description, okay? So that's another method. Now, let me tell you this. Keep it short, the keep it short method. All right? Let's see if I can find some with a short description, because sometimes what happens, that looks kind of like the one we just did, huh? Yeah, sure is. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of short, but then again, it's long. But when you're first making your app, man, Google Play, they kind of get funny depending on who's reviewing your app. they may find something that they don't feel is compliant to their policies. And the policies, they basically, however they feel on that day. Okay, so just to get your app tested and started on the App Store, on Google Play, use something like this: cute unicorn wallpapers and background graphics, 3D illustrations for smartphones and tablets, free download. For your first, when you put it up first, just use something short like that, okay? Just to see, because there's no use in, doing all that work, writing that description that spend a lot of time trying to write, and they tell you something's wrong, okay? So, use it short, keep it short. I recommend that. Also, when you first put it on the Google Play Store, and I know I'm getting into something else here, but when you first upload to the Google Play Store, put your icon up there. It may not be the main one you want to use, but just put one up there. Okay, just like in our build, you see how quick I made that one. But you don't have to really take your time in doing it right now, because like I said, there's no use in doing that. And they say, well, Google Play may say you can't use that icon, and they flag you. Okay, use 2 screenshots. Use 2, only 2. Let me show you something real quick with Andromo. Let me show you something real quick. And I believe we seen this the other day. Okay, my ninja method. But let me show you something. Some of these apps just have like 2 screenshots, which is good. Let's see. Let's try this one. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got a few. They got a video too. Okay. But I wanted to find one with like 2 screenshots. Okay. Don't even put your video up yet. Okay. Put 2 screenshots just to test it, just to see, just to get it up on the Google Play Store, because it's not going to rank anyway for 10 days. Okay. I found that out. I found that out the hard way. Where at first, as soon as you put the app up, they'll rank it. But, they don't do it like that no more. They put it in the sandbox, and the sandbox lasts as long as 10 days. But, yeah, just put like 2 screenshots. Let's see what this one has. Don't even put your video up. Okay. That one has what? 2 screenshots. Look at that. Okay. No, it doesn't. Okay, I thought it did. But anyway, 2 screenshots. And once you get it up, it's on Google Play, and there's no flags, they don't let you know whether you can't use this screenshot, whatever. Then add the rest of your screenshots. Update it. Wait a day. Okay, then update it. Put the icon that you want to put up there. Okay. Add more to your description if you need to. Okay. But I would say don't do all that, at first, because, there's no use in doing all that work, and they say you can't use the app anyway. So, once again, Christopher Wilson, the Mobile App Mogul, teaching you how to make apps to make you money every single day. I'll see you in the next training, and take care. Here's something. Well, actually, this is what not to do when making your description. Okay? This is a definite no-no. Do not load your description, and I wish I could find one on the App Store, but do not put tags in your description. That's the quickest way to get your app banned. I'm telling you from experience. Do not, let's say, let me X this one out real quick. Let me show you an example of this. Like I said, the name of this video is what not to do. Let's see. Let me go to something real quick. Okay, this is what not to do. Say, you're making an app and, you're trying to get it ranked and everything. Listen, do not put tags and at the bottom of your description, put a whole lot of tags like this. Do not do that. okay, that's the quickest way to get a flag from Google. And you want to start out that way. Do not do that. Do not load your description with keywords, especially the same keyword. Like I said, mine is optimized. It works every time. But to write that description, basically, just talk about it freely, talk about the features, but don't load it with keywords. And especially do not load it with do not put tags at the bottom of your description in your Google Play description. Okay? So just want to let you know that last point. Do not do that. Okay? And see you soon.